I want to go over rolling. This is the Rolga. It's a good one. But any roller is fine. Calves. And roll. Hammies. And then I do lateral, a T-band roll. Don't hit the bony prominence, don't hit the knee, and don't hit your greater trochanter. It's that hip bone up there. Then I do quads. Like that. Do your groin, this kind of groin area. So I kind of do it like this. Try to get up into that kind of groin spot. And I usually do, 10 rolls back and forth on each side, and I just do this every day. So that's leg. Try to get that glute. You could either get a softball or use the end of this. Look how it moves. And I'll put that on like glute minimus and medius, which is just kind of over here, like right on that outer upper hip, kind of posterior to your hip. It's not your gluteus maximus, it's not the big part of your glute, but the kind of upper outer lateral glute minimus and medius. Just look it up. And then you can get glute maximus as well. That's mine. But that minimus and medius are super tight off and on, folks. Super great to roll that out. I actually do my arms and hands too. So here, watch out. So I'll roll this way, and then roll my forearm this way on my flexors, on my extensors, do my triceps, do my biceps up this way. And then really important, get pec major. So I'll lay on it and just kind of roll through that pec major. Turn. Quit. So roll out pec major. Because this Rolga has that little groove right there, you can put that in your spinous process of your spine. And I just put it down here, and I'll roll out kind of my low back. Like that. And then kind of your upper back and mid back, and roll through it. Like that. Yeah, I think that's about it. Do both sides. Try to do that every day before your workout. Takes about 5-10 minutes.